If you need to block or unblock somebody on Facebook, you've come to the right place. Let's jump over there and let me show you how to do it. Okay, so here we are at our Facebook homepage. From here, we want to click on our profile picture, which is usually in the top right. Once we click on that, we will get an option for settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy, and once we click on that, it's going to come up with another option for settings. We're going to click on settings again from here, which will bring us to all of our settings. From the left side menu there, you'll get a bunch of options. We want to scroll down and look for blocking. Makes sense, right? We block people from the blocking section. Once we're in blocking, this will open a menu in the middle. We want to look for block profiles and pages. It's usually the second one down, and click on edit. Now we can see everybody we've blocked. We can see our blocked list if we click on that, or we can add someone to the list. I'm going to add John Hamm because I'm just so tired of him. Not really, I don't know John Hamm. He's a great actor, but just for the example, we're going to type in John Hamm, see if his page comes up. It didn't. I guess he doesn't have an official Facebook maybe. I don't know, or just won't let me block him, or I spelled his name wrong. One of the options there. And I would hit block next to his name if I wanted to block him, okay? So you could search for somebody who's maybe weirding you out or being creepy, or you just don't want them to be able to message you or see your Facebook page, and you can block them. Maybe a scammer who's trying to get at you. This is a great way to stop them. So get in there, start blocking people, and review your blocked list and remove anybody who doesn't need to be there. Now that is it for today's video. If this video helped you block some scammer or maybe some creep, I want to hear about it in the comments below. And if you want more, make sure to hit that like and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tech tips and tech news that we bring to you here on the My Computer Works channel. And if you want something a little bit more interactive on Twitch and Kick, we are now live streaming 1 p.m. every Thursday. Come check it out. You can ask questions live. You can get help with your tech issues live in real time from me, Tyler, from My Computer Works. Of course, My Computer Works, don't forget, we offer 100% USA-based tech support for people just like you. So if you need help, go check us out on mycomputerworks.com. All of the links and contact information are down in the description below, so go check it out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.